goes out to anybody who tired of going through the quote-unquote struggle. The fucked up ass reality that we live in is fucking crazy. Kids out here getting killed, man. Caught up in a slow race, my ends I'm gon' chase. My friends and enemies completely different things, but shit, sometimes they synonymous and he ain't gotta follow him. He's got big dreams and green bout to follow him. He sees big greed and beans bout to follow him. If he's got a problem, he's not gon' call on them. Strings bout to follow them, he's bout to ball on them, cause he's played the follower, so he's not gon' follow them. And no, I don't give a fuck what you say, I'm gon' get this motherfucking cake. I'm gon' be reppin' for my city, putting on. And if you fucking with me, we'll be strong. And then we gon' go deeper. She said, fuck me right, I touched it right and put it in a sleeper. Fucking with the mind of a genius, and I'm just trying to reach him. And no, I don't give a fuck what you say, I'm gon' get this motherfucking thing. I'm gon' be reppin' for my city, putting on. And if you fucking with me, we'll be strong. And then we gon' go deeper. She said, fuck me right, I touched it right and put it in a sleeper. Fucking with the mind of a genius.